Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how we can insert the video in Canva presentation. So guys, let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So let me take one Canva presentation. So just I need to create the presentation canvas. Okay, so here we have the canvas. So there is a two method you can use video. So you can search your desired video in Canva only. So go to the elements and search for the videos, or you can simply go to the videos here, and here you can search for videos like, if you want meditation video, search for this, and the all video will become here. The orientation, vertical, horizontal, what you want, you can search from here, or you can select or video from here. You can just select video, it will be inserted into the canvas. Or you can go to the uploads and go to the upload and upload your own video. After you upload video, you can find here, okay, or you can go to the videos only. So videos, under the videos option, you can see the all your uploaded videos. Now select anyone and put here. Okay, now you can increase, you can set the size, okay, as per canvas. Now here under the pages, if you don't find this pages option, just select that pages, it will be visible to you. Here, from here I can edit as a video also. If you don't want to presentation, you can edit as a video. Here you can delete the page, you can also copy that page, and there is a many option. Okay, now come to the video, and here under the edit, you can see you can give the more filter or effects. If you want to give the effects, you can give the effects. Here you can remove the video background. Here the intensity of effects or filter, you can increase, decrease. Here the app related to video you can use, and the video speed you can increase, decrease. One means normal speed, you can increase the speed and decrease the speed. When you increase the speed, here you can see the video second will be decreased. Okay, so main video it is 12 seconds, but you increase the speed, that video play time is decreasing. Same as if you decreasing, the video play time will be increasing. Okay, here the repeat play, if you want to repeat play, you can enable it. Okay, and here the more options. Here in speed, you can increase, decrease the speed. Here the crop, if you want to crop the video, you can crop from here. Okay, here the animation to video, if you want to give any animations like this, you can give. I just remove it. Okay, after done, you can go and download as a whatever your PPT or PPT file. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.